A very good morning, children. Today we are going to begin our class with the fourth chapter, Classification of Commercial Organization. The topics which we would cover is definition of a commercial organization and classification on the basis of, right? Now, definitions. An organization is a group of people who work together on a set of common goals. When 2-3 people they come along and their motive is, like for example, to earn profit from the sale of products, that is known as a commercial organization. They sell goods and service. Why? Because they want to make profit. Okay. Partnership. The organization which is owned, managed, supervised and controlled by 2 or more people is known as, right, part. Then you have joint stock company. The joint stock company as a form, like you have Infosys, came into existence and developed after Industrial Revolution. Okay, and it has to be registered. Like I told you, Infosys, it is a joint stock company. Then you have BP, what you call, even our Tata and Steel company is a joint stock company. Okay, and then you have cooperative societies. Generally, this organization is established by middle class or poor class people, and the members of the society jointly manage the affairs on cooperative basis. Like they form a cooperative society is there, and they start a supermarket where they buy goods on a wholesale and they sell it in that shop at a nominal price which everybody can buy, right? Or a cooperative society, they make flats at a rate, they buy a land together and then in that flats are being constructed and at a very nominal range, people can afford to buy their own house. The second one is the public sector enterprise. You have departmental undertakings, public corporation and government companies. Departmental undertaking like All India Radio, then Indian Railways, Telegram Department is owned. All these are owned and controlled by the government. They are the government enterprises. Okay. Then you have public corporations. Okay, like for example, Reserve Bank of India, Life Insurance Company. They are formed for providing services. And what is this public sector enterprises? Why are they? They are made for service. Okay. Then you have government companies. In that, what happened? A government company is one in which at least 51% of it is paid up capital, is held either by the state government or the central government. They take care of it, like Bharatiya Heavy Electric Vehicle Limited, State Trading Corporation, etc. Okay. Then we have joint sector. They are owned jointly by the government and private individuals who have contributed to the capital. In joint sector, both public and private sector join hands to establish a new enterprise. Some of the examples are the Indian Oil Sky Tanking Limited, Ratnagiri Gas and Power Private Limited. This is a collaboration of private sector and the public sector.